Evolving Table, and today we're gonna be making baked shrimp scampi in these cute little foil packets. They're super quick, simple to make, keto, low carb, and the whole family is sure to love it. So let's get started. Our baked shrimp scampi is out of the oven and I cannot wait to try it. It looks absolutely perfect. The shrimp is cooked perfectly with little hints of like a bit of lemon juice and the red pepper, and of course a lot of just delicious butter flavors. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe below. Or if you want to, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter at Evolving Table. And until next time, I'll see y'all again soon. Super plump, luscious shrimp. Luscious shrimp. Who says luscious shrimp?